Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell you the health benefits of coriander leaves. So as we know, coriander is like a herb and a spice, mainly because you can use its leaf as well as seed as a seasoning. So it looks quite like a parsley leaf, but slightly different in the fragrance of the both of these. So it also provides you as well as vitamin K, C, A and vitamin B. So you can even option for its juice and enjoy numerous benefits. So you have to take a regular glass of coriander juice. So it will give you a very good benefit to your health. First of all, we talk about the oxidative damage. So it prevents oxidative damages. So free radicals can cause oxidative damages in your body and lead to several diseases including arthritis, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease and macular degeneration and some type of cancer. So coriander juice contains the flavonoid quercetin that works an acetone that works an antioxidant in your body and stop oxidative damage, and it regulates blood sugar level. So one of many coriander juice benefit is that it improves liver function, which help regulate blood sugar levels in the body. Adding leaves and stems of coriander to your salads and smoothies may also help prevent diabetes. So you can take, if you regular taking this coriander leaves, it helps you in diabetes also. It can regulates blood sugar level, and it also prevent urinary tract infection. So those who are having some urinary infections, so it also helpful for those guys also. Usually caused by Staphylococcus bacteria, urinary tract infection can be quite painful. Regular consumption of this coriander juice will prevent infection mainly because of this coriander antibacterial compound in it. So it helps maintain an alkaline environment in the urinary tract to prevent infections. Consume coriander seeds if you are already suffering from a urinary tract infection to find some relief. So it will help you to track all these infection, and it prevents it boosts digestive health. One of many coriander juice benefit is that it improves your digestive system. Regular consumption of this juice will help you prevent from gas and nausea, tummies, and prevent gas, bloating, and heartburn and indigestion. It improves digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes that help break down food. Its cooling effect makes it a great addition to hot and spicy dishes, and it lowers the risk of colon cancer. Regular use of coriander helps increase the excretion of the sterol and bile compounds, and it reduces the cholesterol level at the same time, and it reduces the overall level of toxic compounds in your colon, which lowers the risk of colon cancer. And it also strengthens your bones. So the combination of antioxidants and beta carotene makes this coriander extremely beneficial for your eyesight. So not only does it improve your eyesight, it also lowers your risk of developing age-related vision disorders such as cataract and macular degeneration. It also get rid of body of heavy metals. Heavy metals including like aluminium, cadmium, lead and arsenic can stain your tissues and cause hormonal imbalances, infertility, neurological problem and cardiovascular complications. Coriander has compounds that bind them to these toxic metals and help them go out of your body. Studies show that coriander is especially beneficial against lead-induced oxidative damages. The use of antibiotics can lead to the buildup of heavy metals in your body, but coriander juice not only helps eliminate these metals from your system but also improves your immunity against certain types of infection. So if talking about it improves eyesight also. The combination of antioxidants and beta carotene makes cilantro makes this coriander extremely beneficial for your eyes, and it also relieves skin irritations. Usually people have some effective remedy. It is a very effective remedy for skin irritations including sunburns, poison ivy, its hives, sunburn hives. So as has antihistamines that calm your immune system and relieve allergy symptoms. Mix coconut oil and coriander leaves to prepare a perfect remedy to soothe dry skin, sunburn, hives and poison. It also helps improving menstrual function. So regular consumption of this coriander seeds will help improve menstrual function and protect you from any discomfort you usually experience during those days of the month. It always works while improving endocrine gland function. Coriander is also beneficial against bloating, pain, cramps during your menstruation cycle. So hope you guys liked today's video. If you like this video, so please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then keep on watching. Take care. Bye bye.